French Legation State Historic Site began around 1840 when Dubois de Saliennes was sent from France as their representative to basically come to Texas and to see if Texas should be granted a sovereign nation status. He sent back a favorable report, so he was appointed as the charge d'affaires for Texas. We think the house was completed sometime around 1840, 1841. The state acquired the site in 1949. They gave the stewardship of the house and the site to the Daughters of the Republic of Texas. In 2017, that stewardship reverted back to the state of Texas. Pretty soon after, the state began the restoration of the property, so the interior and exteriors being restored of the house to the 1840 status. The kitchen is getting very little repairs, and then the carriage house is being reconstructed, and it will be a visitor center. It will be office space, and there will be exhibits and a small cafe there. We are really hoping that it will be a community space that people can come and they can use the beautiful grounds, they can stop at the cafe and get food, and then they can enjoy the history. It's significant in Texas history because really and truly it's one of the earliest buildings that is still in existence for Austin. So it has a unique position of being able to talk about the history of Austin and the history of the New Republic.